When I newly started photography, I was finding it very difficult to connect the trigger to a speed light. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect your speed lights to your trigger as a beginner if you're having the same issue as well. So this is a Godox V1 speed light for Nikon, and this is also a Godox X2T Trigger for Nikon as well. So let me show you guys how you can connect it right now. So this is my Godox speed light V1 for Nikon, and this is my Godox X2T Trigger for Nikon as well. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it on like this, and I'm going to turn on this trigger as well like this. The first thing I'm going to see, I'm going to see the channel right here. So as you can see right now, the channel of this speed light is on channel 1, while the channel of this trigger right here is on channel 2. So if I just click on it, it's not going to work because the channels are different. So let me first of all make the channel the same. Since our speed light channel is on channel 1, I'm going to set this my trigger channel to channel 1 as well. And to do that, I'll just click on my menu. I'll just use this dialer right here, this dialer at the bottom, and just scroll down until I see channel. So this is our channel. I'll click on set, and I'll just change it to channel 1. So if your speed light channel is on channel 3, you can change your trigger to channel 3. So basically, any channel that you have your speed lights, make sure you have the same channel on your trigger as well. So I'll just change my channel to channel 1, and I'll just press set like this. So we successfully set our channel. Right now we have channel 1 right here and channel 1 on our speed light. Now to trigger your speed light, just press on this button right here that look like Z, and you're going to see this orange color. Once you get this orange or yellow colors, you are good to go. Just come to your trigger and just set your group. So I'm going to group this. I'm going to click on A, and I'm just going to just press on this mode right here to set the group to turn it on. I'll leave it on normal. You can use this dial as well to change the intensity of the light, but I'm just going to leave it at 1/8. And once I click on set, this trigger right here is going to on. So you can see we have 1/8 right here. And if I change it, if I change this my trigger to, let's say, click on A, press on A again, and just change it to 1/4, and I press set, you can see our speed light right here has changed to 1/4 as well. And once I just trigger it right now, it's going to work. Once I press it like this, it's going to flash. That. So, okay, let's say you have another light that's on channel A, and you want to make your speed lights to channel B. How are you going to do that? I'll first of all come to my A, and I'll just turn this A off like so. I just turn this A off, so I'll click on A, and I'm just going to turn it off. So right here on my speed light, the A is off. So I'll just come to my B channel with my trigger and just press on B. So once I press on B, I'm just going to press on mode and just put it on manual as well, and click on set, and it's going to set on my flash. So you can see. So that's how you can easily connect the X2T trigger to a V1 speed light. And if you want to learn how to get the right focus separation blur radius, make sure to click on this video showing up here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative.